Here we are again, Dad and Ali cooks. Welcome once again. Today we will cook a Singapore-inspired dish that is sweet and salty, yummy and creamy. This is salted egg yolk shrimp. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell to be notified. So let's start. Here are the ingredients. We have 1/2 pound of shrimp, all-purpose cream, 3 salted eggs, onion, garlic, minced parsley, cooking oil, salt, and pepper. All approved by Boss Ali. Let's get it on! On a preheated pan, tutunawin natin ang ating butter. And then, maglalagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon ng mantika. Uunahin natin igisa ang ating bawang. We will saute garlic for a few seconds. And then, isusunod natin ang ating onions. After natin magisa ang ating garlic and onions, ilalagay na natin ang ating all-purpose cream. This will make it more creamy and yummy. After natin mailagay ang ating all-purpose cream, we will just mix and blend. Haluin natin ng dahan-dahan para mag-mix ang ating mga ingredients. And then, ilalagay na natin ang ating salted egg yolks. We need to crush our egg yolks para mas lalo siyang mag-mix and blend sa ating cream and mas lalo siyang kumapit sa ating hipon. This will add creaminess and a salty taste sa ating dish. So as of the moment, makikita na natin na nag-blend na ng husto yung ating egg yolk sa ating cream. Medyo nagiging yellow na siya. So right now, titimplahan na natin ng asin at paminta. Lalagyan natin ng salt. And of course, pepper to taste. Ito ang magbabalanse ng lasa ng ating salted egg yolk dish. After a few seconds of mixing and blending, ilalagay na natin ang ating star of the show. Ilalagay na natin yung ating 1/2 pound of shrimp. What I did was, I removed the shell of the shrimp and the vein. Kaya ganito na yung kanyang itsura. Haluin lang natin ng mabuti until the shrimp is cooked. So after natin mahalo ng dahan-dahan and ma-incorporate yung shrimp sa ating sauce, we will have to cover it and we need to simmer it for 5 minutes in slow heat. Nang sa ganon, mas lalong maluto yung shrimp and yung ating sauce. We need to make sure na talagang magiging blended yung ating egg yolk sa ating cream together with the shrimp. So after 5 minutes, eto na siya. Makikita natin na medyo natuyo na and nag-thicken na yung sauce. Sobrang sarap na ng shrimp na to kasi naniksik na yung laman doon sa ating hipon. So we're almost done. Ngayon, ilalagay na natin ang ating minced parsley o ang ating kinchay. This will add a peppery taste and magiging aromatic yung ating dish. For the last time, haluin lang natin ng dahan-dahan. Mix and blend slowly because we're almost done. So we're done mixing and blending. So right now, we will cover it. We will turn off the heat. We will let it settle first for a few seconds. And we're done. We will have to transfer it right now to our serving plate. And this is our salty sweet savory dish. Our salted egg yolk shrimp.
Please like this video. If you have comments or reactions or suggestions, kindly comment down below. If you want more yummy and exciting videos, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our upcoming videos.
Maraming salamat po, viewers and subscribers. Till the next video. Bye!